What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be painting the interior and roll cage of a BMW 3 Series. So stay tuned. So the customer bought this BMW and the interiors are dark gray and customer doesn't like that, so we're going to make this thing light gray for him. We've got it in the booth, it's all sanded. All we've got to do is get it taped up and we can start spraying. It's all taped up. We're about ready to start spraying some interior. Before that, I'm going to be putting on my Ninja mask. The reason why I wear this mask is because when you're spraying in the interior of a car, the overspray blows back on you really bad. And if you don't wear this, then your hair gets totally caked with overspray and it's not a good thing. My hair was stuck like that for like a week. And I probably should just be wearing my paint suit because it has a hoodie built onto it. But it's too hot. It is brutally hot right now, so I'm gonna try to just paint with my sock. The first thing we're gonna be spraying on here is 1 to 2 coats of an epoxy primer. It works really well as a wet on wet sealer and it has great adhesion properties. After about a 15-minute flash time for the epoxy primer, we'll be putting on 2 to 3 coats of a single-stage light gray. Got the last coat put on. Let's give this thing a walk around and make sure that it's covered and make sure I didn't miss anything before I clean out my paint gun. So far so good. I really like this gray interior color. It's not too light, not too dark, and it does spray really nice. This is really slick. It looks good. So we're going to let this dry overnight and then come back in the morning and get it untaped and we'll start putting it back together. And once we get the doors and stuff hung back on it, we'll get the glass mat out to put the rear glass and the windshield back in. See you in the morning. Good morning. We've got this thing untaped, and all that's left to do now is to start putting it back together. Alright, so we've got this thing mostly put together. The two major things we have to do before we can deliver it is put the windshield and the back glass back in. And as soon as the glass gets put in, we'll be able to load it up and deliver it back to the customer. We've got it all put back together. The windshield's in, all the doors are on. It's ready to get delivered. So let's get it loaded up on the trailer so we can take it home. So we got it loaded up. As you can see, we did some repair on the quarter, also on the door and the hood. We put a new front bumper on this car too, but we're not going to paint it because it's going to get wrapped. Let's take her home now.
You know, if you got unwanted junk laying around the house you want to get rid of this holiday season, just put it in an Amazon box and set it on your front porch. It'll be gone in no time.
Alright, so that's another completed car and another finished video. I hope y'all are enjoying watching the videos because I'm having a blast making them. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. We'll see you guys on the next one. See ya! It's in the booth? Sorry, I know it's in the booth, dummy.